Crystal healing has become massive in the recent years, and we are always happy to explore new ways how we can enjoy its power. Different crystals possess different properties, and naturally, we want to enjoy the most of it. And now we have found a way to get the best that crystals have to offer directly into our organism with the freshness and the taste of the nature of the earth. However, crystals and rocks, even if they are in the form of powder, are solid bodies and thus are very dangerous to consume. The correct way to do this is through crystal elixirs. We actually have been doing similar thing with Shungite water for many years now, as you might have seen in our previous videos. The biggest difference between Shungite water and crystal elixirs is that crystal elixirs are ready to drink cocktails with natural products like herbs, berries, and fruits, rather than a base for a drink. So what can we get from crystal elixirs? They are great means for energy balancing, grounding, and getting positive vibes. Physically, they can help you to improve various body systems, especially digestion, cardiovascular system, respiratory system, treat skin conditions, and provide general restoration and rejuvenation. However, the most important thing that you can get from crystal elixirs are crystal-specific properties, which can vary from protection, grounding, balance, and security to love, kindness, wealth, and emotional development. We are going to tell you about our favorite crystals for elixirs. Clear quartz is the crystal that you can find fairly easy as it is the most abundant crystal on our planet. It promotes clarity in life, presence, awareness, cleansing, and positivity. With clear quartz healing, you will always clearly understand what your goals in life are, what is your present place in life, what every last one of your relationships with people mean, and where they lead you. With this positivity, you will become more productive and focused, both in your professional and personal lives. Amethyst is the perfect stone to battle negativity in life, become calm, intuitive, and creative. It is the perfect means to shield yourself from negative energy and overcome dangerous addictions and obsessions. Amethyst can help you fight the proverbial writer's block and aid you in finding new creative solutions that you've never thought about before. Elixirs made with amethyst are great for evenings when you need to calm yourself down after a busy day and relax. Rose quartz is the best stone for improving emotional health as it promotes love, kindness, forgiveness, empathy, and communication. If you feel that your interpersonal relationships in life took a huge dive down, this will be a great remedy for appreciating people again, coming to good terms with the ones you had a quarrel with, and finding new relationships. Rose quartz is especially frequently used for finding new love, so if you feel left out and lonely, that would definitely be a go-to crystal to make your elixir with. Moonstone is a crystal which promotes intuition, relaxation, rest, and emotional balance. This is all connected to the feminine nature of the stone, and it is a great source of feminine energy. Thanks to that, Moonstone will help you to hone your soft skills. The best way to consume Moonstone crystal elixir is at nighttime, right before you go to sleep. That will help you overcome any work-related stress and become fully relaxed to greet the next day powered with energy. It will also protect your sleep, banishing nightmares and improving sleep patterns. Finally, we have our favorite Shungite. Its main property in crystal elixir is a physical one, as it thoroughly cleanses water of negative elements and toxins and enriches it with a plethora of positive ones. But that is not the only thing Shungite brings to the table. Shungite is a powerhouse of grounding, attracting positive energy and stimulating root chakra, which normalizes a large amount of processes in your body, mind, and spirit. It also creates a strong shield around you which protects you from physical and metaphysical negative influences and threats such as EMF and negative energy. Making a crystal elixir is very simple, and we are going to show how you can make your own Shungite crystal elixir at home. First thing that you need are, obviously, Shungite stones. You can use regular Shungite stones, but we are going to use elite Shungite stones as they are much more effective. You can put your stones in a small water-through bag, so the stones won't disperse and get in your way when you are drinking your elixir. Then, Put it in your drinking bottle so you can drink it on a go, or in any other water reservoir if you are going to enjoy it at home. Leave your water for 6 hours so it can become filled with crystal properties. After that, you can put other ingredients in. For Shungite elixir, we chose lime and mint, a perfect combo. Cut lime in slices and detach mint leaves from the branch. You can grind them a little bit to get more juice instantly. Wait for another 20 minutes and your tasty and healthy drink is ready. Drink it during work, exercising, running, or at moments of rest to get the full spectrum of Shungite properties. Mix different crystals with different ingredients to find the combination that suits you the best. Tell us in the comments which tasty recipes you will come up with, and enjoy this healthy energy boost together with Shungite, the best of Korean nature.